How does molten steel become a usable billet or casting? Steel casting is a carefully controlled process where temperature, chemistry, quality, yield, and production timing all matter. Steel casting process from molten steel to quality output. The process begins with raw materials such as scrap DRI, pig iron, and alloys. These materials are charged into the furnace and melted to produce liquid steel. Accurate recording of material consumption is important because it directly affects production yield and cost. Once the steel is molten, its chemical composition and temperature need to be controlled according to the required grade. Each heat carries important information such as raw material consumption, temperature, chemical composition, and production quantity. The molten steel is then transferred to the casting process. It flows through the Tundish and into the continuous casting machine, where it solidifies into billets or other required forms. Casting parameters need to be monitored carefully to maintain consistent output quality. But input material doesn't always become saleable output. Process losses, cutting losses, rejected material, and scrap can affect the final yield. For example, if 100 tons of input produces only 92 tons of saleable output, the remaining quantity needs to be understood and accounted for. Yield equals a key profitability indicator. Quality control is equally important. Chemical composition, dimensions, surface condition, and other quality parameters need to be checked. With proper heat tracking, the finished billet can be traced back to its production batch and raw material. The actual cost of casting is more than the cost of raw materials. It can include power, fuel, labor, alloys, consumables, maintenance, and production losses. Tracking these costs against actual production helps management understand the true cost of each heat or batch. A steel manufacturing ERP can connect production, heat management, inventory, quality, yield, and costing in one system. From melting to casting, and from heat tracking to costing, NAVSteel helps steel manufacturers manage their processes with connected information. Explore NAVSteel to learn more. Link in the description.